This is speech one of two speeches about scuba diving. It's not so much about scuba diving, it's very much about the oceans and what's going on in the oceans at the moment. And really what I want to do is show you the difference between a logical speech and an emotional speech. So here we are. So today I want to talk to you about scuba diving. I think scuba diving is a really good thing. I think if you've ever been scuba diving, it's really good. You dive down into the ocean or into the beautiful seas and you can see the fish and it's very nice and you have a great time, and then you can, you do the scuba PADI qualification and you have a great time with your colleagues and it's really wonderful. So I really recommend that if you go scuba diving, go soon, because things are happening. Now, that's speech one. Speech two. Speech two is going to be slightly different because I love scuba diving and I've been scuba diving many times, and many of my students can go scuba diving regularly as well. And you can go scuba diving in Australia, you can go scuba diving in the Far East, you can go scuba diving in Egypt, and you just come across the most beautiful ocean, you come across the most beautiful creatures down at the bottom of the sea, and I really thoroughly recommend it for everybody. However, I've got some really bad news for you. Things are happening, terrible things are happening, so we need to make some very big decisions. I'm sure that you're all aware that there's a massive plastic pollution problem out there in the oceans of the world. Out in the South Seas, out in the Pacific, there is an area the size of France which is just chock filled with plastic pollution. And of course, that's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Apparently, it takes 600 years for a fishing line to disintegrate. A tin can, it will take 50 years. An aluminium can, 200 years. Styrofoam cups, 50 years. A glass bottle, well, they can't even tell us how long it will take for a glass bottle to break down and not create further pollution. So what's happening is plastic bags, plastic entities that you and I have purchased are in the ocean, and they're being ingested by seals, sharks, and seabirds. Whales, of course, as well. So these poor creatures are ingesting our plastic and they're dying. And they're not just dying, they're dying in a very painful and uncomfortable way. And you and I have been doing this to the oceans. Now, I grew up in a time when we were told, oh yes, it's disposable. Disposable is good. Plastic is good. It's a really convenient way of doing things. And of course, yes, it is. But what we weren't told and what we weren't aware of was the consequences of what we're doing. So what I want to do, I want you to urge each and every one of you to stop using plastic the way that we have done in the past. It's creating this pollution, it's creating a terrible mess, and it's killing the ocean creatures. So could we all stop doing it? And by the way, if you want to go scuba diving, and I recommend that you all do, if you want to see the beautiful oceans, the beautiful seas that I mentioned at the outset of this speech, you better go soon, because if we continue to pollute the planet like we have done, there's going to be nothing left to see in 5 years.